Alright, I'm going to start with this quilt here. Whenever I'm sewing it, it wants to keep going this way because this is where all the weight is. And somebody gave me an idea, and I said, Rick don't want to put no more holes in this, so I don't think it's going to work. But however, today, I went looking and thinking and everything. I got me a bag of clamps. I do not remember how much they was. And I got a bunch of bungee cords. So I'm hoping that what I have in mind, look at that, that there is opens right on up. And okay, let's just get rid of this. These out of here. Throw all that away. Oh, I got an idea. I'm going to use it. Anyway, we're going to take these two great big ones and we're going to put them on the loft up there. We're going to take these two and I will use them on my quilt. So I'm going to have to find somewhere to put these. Look at the little baby ones. Aren't they so cute? Yeah. Ow! Okay. That didn't work. I don't know if you saw. Ow! Oh, they're really tight. How many? I got 4, 2, 4, 5, 6 of these little ones. 4 of the next bigger one that goes up, and 2 of these, and 2 of these. So, anyway, let's go on to our next thing to look at. Oh, look at these little tiny cute ones. We got baby ones in here. Oh, let's see if we can't get one of them out. Look at that little tiny baby one. Alright. I'll put those right down there. But I think we're going to use these two here because they are the biggest. I'll put them over there. I'm hoping that... Alright, let's take the tip off of this one. Yes, it did. Alright, he's going to clamp this one to the beam. Okay? And then we're going to have this one. And we're going to hook it in here. And then that way it can hold the quilt up. I can't wait to check it out and see if it will work. And then that way I don't have to worry about putting, you know, everything in there. And I think it'll work. And if I have to have another, let's check this out. Let's get that one off and that one off. We're going to fight with it as we can. Put that one there. I want to get my next. I don't want this one. I don't want this one. Put them back down in there. We'll want 2 of these small ones. Okay. Now, if we need it, then we have these. Ooh, that one just fell right on off. But I don't need to take the tips off of these because these can just hook right at the end of this, like this, and then go in here. You have to take that one off. Well, we're going to stick it back down in there. And that way, it will make it a longer one if I need it. I don't think I'm going to need it. I may, but I may not need it. But however, we have got this ready to go. So I'm going to show you all what he's going to do. And then we can play with it from there. Make sure all these are off because we really don't need them. And all. Yep. Alright. We'll see you later. All right, we got the first one hung.
Yes, I got it.
See,
Yeah. You don't need to be on it.
I have to
There you go.
show them what to do.
Well, I don't want to hurt the cord either. I mean,
I got you.
Fuck up the damn saw.
Yeah.
Okay, so on that one there.
Right straight across.
Right straight.
Why is it blurry?
No, you can go a little
Hold
bit.
on.
You see,
About right there, leave
yeah.
Yeah, I think that will work out just fine.
Okay, cool.
I think we can do it. All right. So now I'm gonna get up the fix up the camera, and I'll show you on this quilt how it works. Now you gotta have this one too.
Oh, okay.
It goes right in that hole,
This,
and that way we don't have to put
On that one.
any kind of screws or anything in it. All right, and you see we can take them right down when we need to. So that works out pretty good. All right, we'll be right back. Okay, we have both of them up. Now we're going to take this side of the quilt, and we're going to, I'm going to have to do it this way. These are really strong clamps, which that's good. All right, we're going to put that one in there. All right, now I'm going to take this other end of the quilt, and then I'm going to put the clamp. I'll have to do it by myself. You're not always going to be here.
true.
If she can't do it, then she needs to know.
I need to know. All right, so now we got the quilt up, and it's holding all the weight over there. So now I'm going to turn this one this way, and then I'm going to put my strip down, and I think this is going to work wonderful. And we're going to go all the way down with it just to make sure everything works out great. All right, now there's one problem. We have the weight here that's down here, which I can still handle it because I've gotten used to doing it like this. I just don't have to worry about it sliding that direction, I hope. So far, I like this idea. I can work on my quills and not have to fight. What makes it really bad is while you are sewing, if you run out of bobbin, you're so frightened with this quilt trying to keep it up on the sewing machine that you're not even paying attention to your bobbin. And then you don't got no bobbin. You're like, oh my God, I just fought to get it down to here and it's not working. So this is a good thing. I'm liking it. I'm glad you showed me and told me about this. All right, I gotta take this up. I'm at the end of the quilt anyway. So I fought through most of it. But I think this right here is going to really work good for what I want. Alright, now I can cut this off. Right about there. And right there. Throw that away.
Right. I love you, baby.
Now, I'm going to take this one, fold it down. Put that one right in there. And then go on with it. Alright. Now, when I go to do the other side, then we'll do it together, and I'll show you how to do it as well. So we'll be back.
So that work?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is, you know, I mean, I could do a bigger quilt, and it will work just fine, and not have no problem with it.
That's good clamps too.
Yeah, I like these clamps.
Yeah.
But the thing of it is
They're tough.
They're tough.
they are tough.
Yeah, they are tough.
It's hard for me to get that one on one hand.
And I'll have to, there we go. I got that one off.
There's smaller ones in there that won't be quite as tough, and you don't need as much strength as you thought you did.
But yeah, I think that's what I'll do is try.
Right?
Try them other
Because I think the holes are the same in all of them.
Yeah, let's go with the two smaller ones and see what happens there.
I think that'll help you out.
Yeah. Yeah, these are here easier.
And I still think they'll hold the.
One of them things they used to have years ago.
Oh yeah, the build your.
Build your strength
yeah.
up.
Oh yeah,
These
I'm
are-
going now.
I can tell this side's weaker than this side.
Yeah. But them will hold the quilt.
Yeah.
I really think. As long as the whole
Well, we're
works,
going
you'll
to
find
find
out.
out.
We'll see.
Oh, wait a minute. Let's put it on the quilt first.
I think the holes are the same on all of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
the same
they,
size.
Yeah, they feel like they are.
That's a whole lot easier open, ain't it?
Oh, yeah. I like the littler ones better.
Yeah, okay, see?
Yeah.
We got this shit rolling.
That's his words, not mine.
Well,
Yep, see, it worked out just fine.
Yeah.
I can hear
Yeah, I
it.
told her.
Okay. Yep.
Cool.
All right. So
We love you, baby.
I love you too. Thanks. I'm gonna
You're
get.
welcome.
I'm gonna get this other side ready to go, and we're gonna do it. All right. I can shut this drawer now. But when I'm not using these, I could take this one down and put it somewhere where it's not hanging right here in my way, and I don't have to hit the top of it. So I'm really happy with this, and I say thank you. All right, now let's do this. I just now knocked something in the floor. All right, I'm gonna take this one, and I'm gonna put it here. Oh, pair of scissors. I want to get them up. I'm having hip trouble, believe you me. Bending down does not help. And all. Alright. Let's put this one up here. And now we've got all the weight right here. And now we can work on the quilt. Now, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull it back here. Like this. Oh, I want to clip my corners. Alright, there's that one. And then there's that one. There we go. Alright. So, I'm going to start right here. And I'm going to make sure I have to turn that corner. But I'm going to go right here. I got dirt. I was swept yesterday. Alright, now, I got a yellow in there. I'm not going to really worry about what color I got in it. But I am going to bring this one up. And we're going to see how well this works. Oh my gosh, this is wonderful. You all would not believe how much better this is on doing this. It is so much better. I am more happier with this. See, I can do this whole side all on its own. Do got to get that up though. Oh, get that cotton out of there. Yeah, this worked out good. See, it takes a little bit for me to think on how I can do it the way that I need to do it. Because if and when this shed goes back, if it does and when it does, whatever happens, then I don't have extra holes up there in it. And I can understand where Rick's coming from, that he doesn't want, I'm stuck. Okay, there we go. There we go. I got fixed. Stuck on a corner. So far, this is working out wonderful. I'm so happy. And it makes it so much more easier. take this one, turn it up, turn that one down, and I thought I had my, okay. So now here we are here. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna keep on pushing my limit. I'm gonna push my limit on this bad baby. Alright, I'm stuck on a corner again. I don't like that corner. Yeah. Keeps on sticking on the corner. Okay, let's get this one off. And we're going to take this right here clamp. And we're going to put it on this one. Now we're going to take this one and we're going to put it on this one. Let's get this turned around here. Go into the hole. Then that way we got it freed up. Yeah. Okay. Now maybe to quit chopping on that corner there. Now on this one where I'm having problems, it kind of like went over. I don't like it, but I'm kind of like, I can't do anything unless take it all apart. And I ain't gonna take that apart. We are going on and we're gonna love it. This is so much better. Oh, cannot tell you how much better it is. I figured it out and I'm happy. Cut my corner. Alright. Turn it. And turn it. Man, that guy is over there and he is really digging a great big old gigantic hole and everything. Alright. Let's take this one off. Yeah. Let's grab this one. We're going to take this one and move it here. And then hang this one up. There we go. Now we can turn it this way. Oh man. Hardy heart. I'll say thank you. I may have to go a different way than what you said. But this works. Alright, I gotta pick this up. There we go. Alright, I'm stuck on a corner. See, I got this corner. I don't know if you can see it or not. No, you can't. Put you down. Sorry about leaving you up there so long. But this corner, no, you still can't see it. Now, maybe you might be able to see this corner. Yeah, if my hand went. This corner right here, it keeps on catching on this corner. And that's my problem. But I think I'm doing a pretty good job here. Oh boy, we are working on it, and I'm happy with it. run out of bobbin yet, have I? I'm telling you, out there was a mess. I thought, well, maybe there's enough bobbin on this to work on it. Maybe there's enough, and there wasn't. So, it'll be okay. It does count. Alright, cut that corner. Alright, here we are with another one. So I'm going to take this one off, put it on this corner, take this one, put it over here, same old thing, and turn it. Hardy har. Oh, this works out great. You don't know how happy I am. Let's get this up here. I know I ain't talking too much and all that good stuff, but I think as short as this film is, we're doing fine here, and I am happy with it. It's taking all the everything and make it so much better. And we are at the end of it. I don't remember who done this. Who told me about this? But see if I can't find that picture and put it up here for y'all to see the picture that she sent me. It may be on my phone. That little bit, I'm just going to flip it. Alright, and we are done with this. Alright, we'll be back. Or no, we won't be back on this one, but y'all will see it on the quilt on another video. How to donate to PayPal. You mash on Poor Man's Sewing, and then you come up here and you look for About, and you mash on About, and right here you hit on Donate to Poor Man's Sewing. It's people like you that help me out, and it is really appreciated, and I hope you many blessings in this hard times that we are fixing to go through. A lot of hugs and kisses to you.